Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in gray, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes power sliding doors, a backup camera, and 3M on the front bumper, hood, fenders, and side mirrors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look at the front first here. Right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. There's some storage space that runs along the bottom there. Now inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray fabric seating. We have our key fob here. We're going to start this Sienna up. Now starting with the steering wheel features first. On the left side you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side you have your Toyota safety sense on the bottom here with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Now up here you can also see the Sienna has 16,414 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here. Right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. On the home screen you can also view your trip information, where you can also look at your history as well. Now going into audio here, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices between CD, USB, and like I mentioned, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Underneath that is the climate control. It is a tri-zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted for you and the passenger. You also have this little dial here on the bottom for the passengers in the back. On the bottom we have some storage and cup holders. You also have some extra cup holders in here where you can slide that out. You have your USB auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet, along with your driver and passenger heated seats. Now, like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a power sliding door, so we're going to open that side here by pressing that button on the left side right on the key fob. Taking a look inside, you can see we are continuing with the gray fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Now these rear seats do fold. We can just pull this middle handle upwards. Seats will fold. You can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. To access the cargo of the Sienna, there's a little button under the Sienna emblem there. We're just going to give that a press. Taking a look inside the back here, you can see even with the third row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. You also have an extra you have an extra seat that goes in the second row, allowing up to 8 passengers. We can also put the third row seats up by pulling on this little handle, holding the seats all the way down, giving you the nice flat storage space in the back. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.